I see so many people trying to reduce their API usage whenever they're using OpenClaw. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up OpenClaw and how to use the GPT integration so that way you're not burning API tokens and you can just operate it on a $20 subscription. Yes, I said that, a $20 subscription. No more $1,000 bills hitting your bank account because you don't know how to set it up correctly. So by the end of this video, you're going to know how to get a VPS, or you could use a Mac Mini. You're going to know how to install OpenClaw, and you're going to know how to configure it. And it's going to take about 15 minutes. So let's just hop into my computer and I'll show you how it's done. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is get a VPS. Now, a lot of people are going to Hetzner, but you can get a VPS through cloudcode.space, and it comes with a Go High level subscription as well. So for $17 a month, you can set up your OpenClaw agent. You can install Claude Code. It's going to give you a Ubuntu desktop, so that way you can save all your files, and everything can run locally on the VPS, and you can access it like a computer from anywhere. So let's go ahead and get signed up. I'm not going to take you through the whole registration process. I'm going to just show you what the panel looks like once it's built. So these are the plans, and it shows you how much RAM that you get. You get 8 gigs on the solo plan, you get 16 on the team plan, and you can actually assign 5 users. So I usually just go for the team plan. So let's just go ahead and click on start 3-day trial and get started. And it's going to tell you to configure an account. I'm going to go through this whole process and I'll show you the inside dashboard once it's set up. Okay, so I just purchased my subscription, and as you can see here, we have the VPS setting up. Then you're also going to get this Claude Code Skills bundle. So if you are using Claude Code, you can go ahead and download all these skills and start installing them. There's 500 plus Claude skills right here. And also, there are some pretty cool different softwares that they advertise to you that have something to upvote your posts on Reddit. Also, this lead ripper, you can scrape Google Places and send unlimited cold emails. And then also, we are sponsors of this company, Advanced Marketing. So 20% off of any of the services that we provide at Advanced Marketing. All right, and then they have a support ticketing system right here. So let's just go ahead and wait until the server boots up and get right into it. Okay, so after you sign up, it's going to take about 2 or 3 minutes to configure, and then it'll come to a page like this, and you're just going to click on Open Console. Now, this is going to be your password to sign in. You're going to want to change this immediately. Otherwise, anybody that has this URL can just sign into your VPS. Okay, guys, so once you get logged into your VPS, you're going to go ahead and copy this from openclaw.ai. You're just going to press this little copy button, come over here to your terminal. If terminal's not showing up here, you'll just need to come into apps, type in T for terminal, and go ahead and click on this. So you got that right here. We'll go ahead and paste this in and press enter. And it's going to install OpenClaw. We'll just wait for that to finish installing. And here we go. Now we have to configure a gateway token. So we'll hit yes. Going to go ahead and hit yes on this. Hit yes on this. Hit yes on this. Install the gateway service. Then we'll go ahead and open up a new terminal now that that is done, and we'll type in OpenClaw configure. And we're going to go ahead and click on local. Workspace is set. And we're going to click on model, and this is the important part. And as you can see here, we have Codex OAuth plus API key. We're definitely going to want to use OpenAI. If you use Anthropic, it's going to charge you a lot of credits. So let's just go ahead and click on OpenAI and then ChatGPT OAuth. And this is your $20 a month subscription. So we'll just go ahead and click on this, and it's going to have me sign in. So we'll go ahead and open this. And it's going to ask me to sign in right here. So I'm going to sign in real quick. Okay, and then once you sign into your GPT account, it will say authorization successful, and then you can just return to the terminal. And as you can see here, I'm going to go ahead and copy this, pop it here. All right, and then you're going to want to install web tools as well. So let's just go ahead and grab the Brave API. And you get $5 in monthly free credits, which should be plenty for just using this in everyday usage. So just go ahead and click Get Started, sign up, and grab your API key. Now, I already have OpenClaw set up on another one of my VPSs, so I'm not going to register for another API key, but you just register, grab your API key, come in here to Web Tools, and enable web search. And then you're going to do Brave search right here. Okay. And then type in your API key. The next thing that you're going to want to do is come down here to channels, and this is where you're going to configure your Telegram bot. So just go ahead and click on channels, configure link, Telegram, and then you'll go ahead and open Telegram and open BotFather. So let's go ahead and do that. Now you're going to go ahead and type in BotFather in the search and click here, and then just come over here and type in /new bot. And then you're going to give it a name. I'm going to call Jackie. And then a username, Jackie the goat _bot. Has to end in bot. All right, and then it's going to give us this API token. We need to go ahead and copy that and paste it over here. Now the bot token is set up. And then skip to leave it as it is. And then go to finished. And then you're going to go ahead and click on open for now. And then if you want to install skills, you can. I'm not going to go through that in this video. I will make another video on exactly what skills I think that you should install. And then we'll go over here and click on continue. All right. So it says that the configuration is complete. Let's just go ahead and message it and see if it's set up. In order to message the bot, you're just going to click over here, click on start. And it looks like it is typing something, which is good news. All right, so now we are set up. Guys, if you like this video and you want more videos on how to set up amazing things with AI, make sure you leave me a comment of what you want to see next, and make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.